After initial objection by the State Counsel and Solicitor General, Barrister Osemwengie as to whether Barrister George Oaikhena can appear for his client, saying that Barrister Oaikhena is a public officer under the employment of the University of Benin as a law lecturer, and disagreement on a date to come back for the case, both parties later agreed that the case should go on. Presenting his address, counsel to the accused applicant said that the same people the court requires to take the accused on bail are the people who brought him to court. He argued that since it is the state government that is prosecuting the accused applicant, it will be difficult for any serving permanent secretary under the same administration to sign surety for him, as they are all in sympathy with the prosecutor, and that similarly it will be difficult to get any traditional ruler in Benin Kingdom to sign for him, and urged the court to review the condition. On his part, the State Counsel, Barrister Osemwengie, described the argument as baseless and said there are 43 permanent secretaries in the state and several traditional rulers, and that the counsel to the accused applicant cannot show evidence of having approached any who refused. He noted that the bail was granted on the 29th October, while they filed the motion on the 30th, showing that they did not make any attempt to look for any surety. Though counsel to the accused applicant, Barrister George Oaikhena, declined interview, the State Counsel, Barrister Osemwengie, bared his mind on the matter.
Our duty as the Ministry of Justice and as prosecutors is not to persecute anybody, but we also have a duty to ensure that things are done properly, and which is what we came before the court to do. That nobody wants to punish anybody unnecessarily or in outside the confines of the law. But again, if the law says certain things are not to be done, they should not be done.
Ruling for motion on notice was adjourned till Wednesday next week. Rich Arisco Osemwengie was charged to court for declaring himself His Imperial Majesty the Ogiame Otantan of Benin Nation. Pius Nsogo reporting.